I'm Natalie Harris. I'm an apprentice fabricator at Caunton Engineering, and this is how to make it an industry. At Caunton Engineering, we design and fabricate structural steel frameworks. We've made structures such as the Leicester Tiger stand and Liverpool Museum. The biggest job we've ever done weighed 3,500 tonnes and was a Land Rover production facility. Every project we work on starts life in the drawing department. Many of the designers started out as apprentices or on the shop floor. When the wireframe's been made, they can then turn it into a 3D model. The design staff use 3D models to help to visualise the project. When the project's design has been finalised, we start to cut the steel. In the future, I'd like to look at getting experience in the design office. As an apprentice, I do have the opportunity to do that. When you first come to Caunton as an apprentice, spend at least 6 months in here learning the basics. Once those 6 months are up, you put up for review to see if you can start to spend 1 day a week out on the line. This is a drawing that we get from the drawing office. It shows the main item and all the components that are needed to finish it off. It also contains information such as hole sizes, weld sizes and the paint specification. We basically look after you and show you how to get on, and anything you don't know how to do, they'll point you in the right direction. When the steel first comes onto the shop floor, it's laid out and marked out. After they've been marked out, any notches that are needed to be cut off are done so using an acetylene cutter. After burning the notches, we then clean the area up using an angle grinder. The plates are then fetched from the stillages and laid out on the beam, and then we tack the plates on. The welding takes place after the beams have been fabricated. We mainly do mag welding. Before you're allowed to weld work that goes onto a job, you have to take a weld test. So I've got a certificate that says I can weld it. It's alright them teaching you about it in a classroom, but until you actually see what people are doing and start to have a go yourself, you can't really understand it. When you're going into a specific industry, you've got to really learn from people who've been doing the job all their lives, which is what we do, we get teamed up with somebody. The company like you to have experience on the shop floor before you go into the design office to help you gain more of an understanding. Once the plates have been welded to the beam, we'll load them up onto the wagon ready to send them down to the paint shop. Once the beams have left the main shop floor, they're brought down here to the state-of-the-art paint facility to be coated with a fire-resistant paint. Once the paint's dried, they're loaded back onto the wagons, ready to leave the site. This is Caunton Engineering, and this is how we make it an industry.